How to buy Turbo token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this is their X account. So they have a big community. So make sure to take a look on their X account. Now, how to be able to buy the Turbo. Now, as you can see, the Turbo token is available on CoinMarketCap. So you have two ways to buy this token. So first way is by going to these exchange platforms. As you can see, it's on Binance, it's on OKX, and it's BitGet. So, and the other way is by going to add it to your wallet and buy it from there. Now we will use our wallet to buy this token. Now from here, just click on this little arrow. Now copy the Solana. And the best way to buy this token is by going to our Phantom wallet and buy it. So go to your Phantom wallet and click on it. Now after that, log into your accounts, as you can see. So after you log into your wallet, after that click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click on this and now paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Now make sure this is the token. Now after you click on it, now you will be able to buy this token. Just enter how much you want to buy. And after that, this is how much you will receive. And from here, just check the provider. So after you select the provider, make sure to read all of this information. And after you click on swap, they will redirect you to another page to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process to be able to buy this token. Now, if you have any issue or you face any issue in the buy process, just go back and change between these options. If you want, just select 1% and go back and now repeat the process to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Turbo token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.